Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 1 Series boot without battery. Start by locating the manual release or fold-down seat access point and clear any debris around it. Use a flashlight to spot the latch and a flat tool if needed, keeping pressure even. Work calmly and test the mechanism gently until the boot pops open, then secure the vehicle and inspect for battery or electrical issues. If you can reach through from the cabin, fold the rear seats and create a safe, steady opening to work through. Slide a hand or tool through the gap and feel for the emergency release handle or pull loop. Communicate with a helper who can gently push on the boot lid as you pull, keeping movement steady to prevent sudden slams. Once open, prop the lid and inspect for the root cause. In this video, I will show how to open BMW 1 Series boot without battery. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated while you work. It seals well and fits cup holders. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the link and more deals, and now let's get back to the video. For exterior manual access, locate the small service hole or trim panel near the rear bumper and follow the vehicle manual's access points. Use a slim pry tool or rod to reach the mechanical latch, applying steady, controlled pressure until the latch releases. Keep tools perpendicular to avoid bending rods and inspect linkages afterward. If any part resists unusually, stop and seek professional help to avoid breaking clips or hinges and creating bigger problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.